Hello everybody, my name is Gabriel Rodriguez and I'm a Boston College student. This semester I've had the opportunity to take a class called Physical Computing and Robotics, where I learned a little bit about how to code in CircuitPython. So what I'll be presenting to you right now is my final project. So if you're anything like me, you're interested in a little bit of finance and a little bit of economics. You just kind of want to know where the money goes and what the trends are looking like. And that's exactly what I wanted to do with this project. I asked myself, how can I get the most recent information about certain stocks or economic indicators without having to go through my phone or go to my stock account and waste time getting really interested in the most recent trends? And how can I make it fun and displayable for everyone to see? So this is my project right here. And it does three main things. We're using the Matrix Portal S3 from Adafruit to, number one, connect to the internet and make API calls to AlphaVantage. And number two, we are receiving information from Adafruit IO's dashboard to indicate which stocks, which cryptocurrencies, and which ETFs we want to display. And thirdly, of course, we are displaying the information in a really simple but fun manner, and we can actually change it. So as you can see right here, we're currently looking at Apple stock, right? I'll let it cycle by. And if we click the up button, we should be looking at...
Tables are already set up. Look at this.
We're looking now at the SPY ETF fund. You press it one more time, and now we are looking at one cryptocurrency. I think this one is Bitcoin. Yep, we're looking at Bitcoin. We press up one more time, and now we have, of course, in red, white, and blue, our real GDP, our consumer price index, and our interest rate for 10-year bonds. So, these numbers by themselves don't mean anything, but with a little bit of context, we know that GDP is really the economic growth of our country. This consumer price index really reflects the prices that are being paid by consumers nowadays. So compared to last quarter, it's at -2%, which is not bad. And then the 10-year bond rate really just shows how consumers are feeling about the growth of the GDP. And you press it one more time, and it should cycle back through to Apple. There you go. And so with this device, you can display it on your wall, and you could also change the things that you're looking at. So let's take a demonstration. Let's go to Adafruit IO. When you go to your Adafruit IO dashboard, in the way that I've described how to set it up in the Instructable, you can simply update the information that you want. So let's say instead of Apple, I want Tesla. And instead of SPY, I want VTI and ETI. And instead of Bitcoin, I want to see Ethereum. So right now, I'm still seeing Apple information, but how would I make sure that the information from Adafruit is getting to my board? Well, let's hit the down button. We're gonna refresh, and now we're looking at Tesla. And now we're still looking at SPY, so I probably put in the wrong ticker for the ETF, but we can try another one in a moment. We're still looking at Bitcoin, but I think actually, refresh, there we go. Now we're looking at VTI. So you refresh again, refresh our Bitcoin, now we're looking at Ethereum. So the point of this project is to make it interactive and learn a little bit more about making requests to Adafruit IO and using API calls to display data in a fun way. I hope this helps you out if you aim to replicate this project and customize it for yourself. This is what the end goal should mostly look like. And yeah, thanks for watching.